In the place, in your face. It's your boy. That boy can cook. What we got today? Look at that. It's the General Tso Chicken, baby. Yes, low. Come on with me. Let me show you how to make it. All right, and for this delicious General Tso Chicken, we're gonna do it in 3 parts because it's a lot of ingredients. So we're gonna start off with the sauce. We have Hoisin sauce, soy sauce, cornstarch, rice vinegar, brown sugar, and 1/2 cup of cold water. Now let's make this sauce. Let's add everything in for our sauce. Here's our water, our rice vinegar, our soy sauce, our Hoisin sauce. Hoisin, I'm assuming that's how you say it. Let's get that out of there. There we go. Brown sugar and cornstarch. There it is. Now we're just gonna mix it up. And if you want to, you can taste for likeness. Make sure you don't need to add anything, which you won't, but you might like it a little different flavor. Our sauce is done. Let's go ahead and set this to the side. So I have chicken breast and cornstarch. So I have 1 pack of, I'm sorry, not chicken breast, chicken thighs. Chicken thighs and cornstarch. Next, we're gonna take our chicken thighs and cornstarch, and we're gonna toss the chicken thighs in the cornstarch. Yeah. So let's just get it. We get them all coated. And we're gonna knock off any excess cornstarch we have. Just make sure we get these well coated as such. Now that you got your chicken tossed in your cornstarch, let's go ahead and knock off any excess and just set them to the side. All right, now that you have your chicken coated, set aside, let's take our skillet, wok, whichever one you're using, and let's get our olive oil in. Canola oil, forgive me. Let's get our canola oil in there. There we go. And let's get that hot. We're gonna come back and drop this chicken in there. Oil is ready. Let's go ahead and drop our chicken in there. We're gonna do it in batches. You don't want to overcrowd your pan, so we're gonna do it in maybe 2-3 batches. And just make sure they cooked well all the way through on both sides. All right, we have to remix this thing because I don't know what happened to my volume. It's gone. So we're gonna remix it with a voiceover. My first voiceover, so hey, y'all bear with me now. All right, so as you can see, we already doing our chicken. We just turning it over, making sure everything, making sure it's all cooked. Don't want nobody to get sick catch no salmonella, nothing like that. So let's just get it turned over. Make sure it's all cooked. Y'all know. And now that we have it all cooked, everything is everything. Let's go ahead and get it out of there. Boop. Yeah, let's get it out of there. Boop. You too. Boop. And that one. Oh, dropped them. Boop. There it is. Let's get it. Boop. Last two. Yeah, there it is. All right, so now what we're going to do, we're going to drain some of this oil out. We're going to leave about 1.5 tablespoons. As you can see, I have my 1.5 tablespoons that I left in, and there's still some little chicken crumbs, from the flour, but that's okay. We're going to use that as well. So let's go ahead and get our garlic in, our ginger, and let's get these red pepper flakes up in there, boy. Yeah. All right, and now we're just gonna saute this for about 30 to 40 seconds. Just make it smell good. Don't burn them. We don't want them to be burnt. We just want to fumigate. I don't know. We just want to make it smell good in the house. All right, so we got those sauteed. Got it smelling right, looking right. Let's go ahead and add our sauce. All right, but first, let's stir our sauce. Make sure we don't have any brown sugar that done settled at the bottom. You don't want to lose none of that. So, there it is. There it is right there. All right. So now we're just gonna stir it. We're just gonna stir it and let it get thick. And that cornstarch that we added in earlier, that is going to be the thickening agent. So that's how it's going to thicken up for us. So we're just going to stir it. Let's keep it going. Pow! Look at that. Yeah. Look at that. Delicious. Glaze for your General Tso Chicken. Yeah. Look at that. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about right there. That boy can cook, y'all. All right, now let's get that chicken up in there. There it is. The chicken. Let me get all that. I need all that chicken, sir. Let me get all of it. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. Now we just make it do what it do, baby. We're going to mix it in. Make sure all chicken crumbs, pieces of chicken, all of it is covered in the delicious glazy sauce we got right there. Man, I'm telling you, if you was here, you would be hungry because the smells in here are crazy. So let's just make sure we're getting it mixed up. Make sure everything is touching everything. So in every bite, we get that sweet goodness glaze. Yeah, there it is right there. That's that General Tso Chicken. Yeah, there it is right there. That boy can cook, y'all. All right. So, woo, look at that. I just gotta show off a little bit. All right, so I'm gonna take me a little green onion. I don't like sesame seeds. You can use sesame seeds if you choose, but I'd rather use green onions because I don't like sesame seeds and I like green onions. So, hey, it's my world. That's how we do it. It's your world, so whatever you choose to put in it, you put in it. All right, that's how it works. So we got the green onions cut up. Yeah, there it is. Okay, let's get it. Now, I got my favorite, the jasmine rice steamed. Yeah, that jasmine rice, something else, y'all. Alrighty, let's get it in now. Oh, watch out now. Look at that. Yeah. Winner. General Tso's for dinner. Yeah. Yes, please give me some more, sir. I'll take more of that, please. Give me more of that, sir. Oh, come on now. Come on now. Don't do me like that. Don't do me like that. Come on now. Give me a little bit more. A little bit more. Just a little bit. All right, we good. We good. Appreciate you, sir. Appreciate you. Let me hit it with the green onions for me. Hit it with. Oh, there it is. There it is. A little bit more. Yeah, right there. That's that General Tso Chicken. In your face. There it is. All right. I'm gone.